This short video will cover license management, such as assigning and unassigning a license, as well as purchasing a new one and canceling an unused one. License assignment is done by an Accuro Admin Center system administrator from within the Accuro Admin Center. Once logged in, you will be on the Users tab. In your list of users, you will be able to identify who doesn't have a license underneath the license column where it'll say No License Assigned. In this example, we're going to assign a license to Sam Square. Click the Assign a License link to begin the process. You can also assign a license by going directly into the user's profile by clicking Manage and then Assign License. In the License Information window, if your database contains multiple billing accounts, you'll need to select the appropriate one for this user. Next, choose the appropriate license type. License types are categorized by staff and provider. Depending on how many have been purchased, the drop-down may also show how many licenses of each type are available. In this example, we'll select Physician Full-Time. Lastly, select an option from the License Selection drop-down menu. Some licenses may show partial usage depending on whether the license is newly purchased or being reassigned from another user. Then click Assign License. You have now assigned a license to this user. These steps may be repeated for every user with the No License Assigned status. At some point, you may need to remove an assigned license from a user. For example, if the incorrect license type was initially assigned and needs to be changed, or perhaps the user is leaving the clinic and you want to free up the license so it can be assigned to a different user. In the User Management section, you can click on the Unassign License button, then confirm, and the license will be unassigned from that user. You can also unassign a license directly from the License Management section by clicking Manage next to the license type to see if any are currently assigned to users. Click Manage next to the assigned license, then the Unassign User button. Only users that have a provider account may be assigned a physician or allied health professional license type. For example, this account is set up as a non-provider. If any of the physician or the allied health professional license type is selected when assigning them a license, a mismatch license error will appear and prompt you to go through the process again so you can select a different type, such as staff. The License section of Accuro Admin Center is where you can see an overview of all the different license types the clinic has purchased. If all available licenses have already been assigned to users and more are needed, click the Purchase a License button and select the appropriate billing account and license type required. Then click the Purchase a License button in the bottom right to confirm, and the new license can be assigned to a user. Licenses may also be canceled in the License Management area. Click Manage next to the license type, then click Manage next to the exact license that is going to be canceled. Lastly, click the Cancel License button. If the license is still currently assigned to a user, click the Unassign User button first, then proceed with the Cancel License button. For more information on license management, please visit our Accuro Resources page.